The crisis of domestic violence continues to impact families here in San Antonio. One bill, pre-filed by State Senator Roland Gutierrez, would allow law enforcement to temporarily remove firearms from the most at-risk abusers. KENS 5's Zach Briggs shares how nonprofits are responding.
In 2021, San Antonio police responded to 22 domestic violence homicides, down from 30 the year before. Luis Trevino, staff attorney with Family Violence Prevention Services, hopes Senate Bill 144, if passed, streamlines the process for protective orders to be granted and ensure guns are kept out of the hands of potentially dangerous people.
All that has to be shown is that there's clear and convincing evidence that this person who's being accused is at high risk of hurting another person or him or herself with firearms.
A Texas federal judge concluded last week the disarming of individuals under protective orders violates their Second Amendment rights. Trevino says the impacts of this ruling could prove even more challenging when filing protective orders.
We're going to have to file these high-risk protective orders, as the bill calls it, in conjunction with our family violence protective orders under the Family Code, to be able to have these guns removed and not violate the Constitution as this judge has ruled it.
The nonprofit Putting an End to Abuse Through Community Efforts, or the Peace Initiative, has hosted more than 500 education events for the community on the consequences of domestic violence. Executive Director Patricia Castillo believes going forward, one of the major focuses should be on stopping repeat offenders.
Repeat offenders do a lot of damage in terms of domestic violence. And those are the ones that we've got to monitor closely. We've got to arrest consistently, and we've got to put, high bonds on them so that they don't easily get out of jail.
Zach Briggs, KENS 5.